Hey there, I'm Dr. Duff from Terry Chiropractic Boulder here in Colorado. And today we're going to talk about how chiropractic can stop or eliminate low back pain. Now, what we do here to assess somebody who's in low back pain is we'll start with initial assessment and talk a little bit about where this came from. Next, we'll dive into some of the details. We'll talk about where the pain is. We'll talk about what makes it worse, what makes it better. Then we'll do a couple of special tests to determine where that low back pain is coming from. Once we can figure out what the root cause of that low back pain is, then we can start to address it. What we'll assess for are different areas of misalignments or subluxations in your spine, and those are what's going to be causing pressure on not only the joints, but also the nervous system, affecting all the muscles and soft tissues and bones in the spine. Now, these misalignments can look like little shifts in the spine that occur from segment to segment, or it can be a whole region of bones in the case of a postural distortion. Depending on how the person's body is presenting this subluxation or what injury happened, then we can figure out how to fix it. We fix it a number of ways. Now, the first thing that we'll do is we'll attempt to adjust and fix the subluxation and get it back into its proper position. What this will do is it'll restore the normal function of the joint. It will also help free up the nervous system pressure, allowing the energy and communication of those nerves to be in a more ideal position and also flow better. Thirdly, what we can do to work on low back pain and help with that is we can also assess if you qualify for different types of therapies. So we can use things like laser therapy, we can use traction devices, we can use forms of decompression, and then also we can do core stability exercises to help with the low back pain. Once the doctors have figured out and assessed where the root cause of the low back pain is, then we can really start getting to work. Sometimes these are things that get better pretty fast, but if they've been issues in the past, it might take a little while to fix these low back issues. If you're interested in looking at what's happening with your low back, you're curious about where these injuries may have caused, if your spine does have misalignment or subluxation, then go ahead and schedule with us and we can do an assessment and sit down and talk about where we can fix your spine.